Hi everyone, in front of me I've got DOOGEE Tab E3 Pro, and let me share with you how to free up storage without removing the apps. So I just wanted to draw your attention to some solutions which you can apply in your device in order to free up some memory. So first of all, let's clear cache. Cache are junk files which are saved by your device, but they are not necessary for the proper usage of the app and for the device. So I highly recommend to simply tap on the settings. Here in this left section, let's scroll and find apps, and go to see all 39 apps, of course 39 in my case. So here we've got the full list of apps which are saved in this device, installed, and what I highly recommend to do is to go through all of them and remove the cache. So let's open the app, then go to storage and cache, and that's not the best example because I do not have cache here, so let me go back, maybe here. Yes, here we've got the cache. So all you have to do is to tap on clear cache here, and your device will immediately remove it. And as I said, go through all of those apps and remove the cache. Another thing which I highly recommend to do, and about which we usually forget, are the downloads. Because let's be honest, usually we are downloading a lot of stuff and then we forget about it. So let's simply go to your file manager. It could be this Google one, or you can use any kind of third-party file manager. It's completely up to you. And try to find the categories downloads. In my case, obviously, I do not have anything here, but if you've got your device for quite a long time, there is a possibility that you've got a lot of stuff downloaded. So I highly recommend to simply go through those files and simply remove those which are I don't know, large or duplicated or something like that. All right. And as a last resort, maybe not last resort, but last but not least, I highly recommend to consider the backup. I will not show you the full path, the full operation, because we've got a separate video which is really detailed and it explains the backup perfectly. But I just wanted to mention that there are many advantages of this option. The first one is obviously the one that you will be able to release some memory from your internal storage and leave it for the apps. But the second one, and I believe the most important, is that you will be able to save the photos and videos and other stuff in a cloud, so in a completely different place. So if something's wrong with your device, for example, it is damaged or stolen, or I don't know, it doesn't work, and you cannot really retrieve the memory, you can still have the access to your own files through the backup. So highly recommend to consider that option. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.